Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the out of video memory error in Hogwarts League with simple and effective solutions.
Fix 1. Lower in Game Graphics Settings Step 1. Open Settings Graphics Options Step 2. Set Graphics Preset is equal to Medium or Low Step 3. Turn Ray Tracing is equal to of Step 4. Set Texture Quality is equal to Medium Low Fix 2. Disable Delicious FSR Step 1. Go to Graphics Settings Step 2. Turn Delicious FSR is equal to of Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 3. Increase virtual memory, page file, step 1. Press Win plus R, type SYSDM. CPL, enter step 2. Advanced performance settings, advanced step 3. Virtual memory, change step 4. Set custom size. Initial and maximum is equal to 1. 5x 2x your RAM, step 5. Restart PC. Fix 4. Update graphics driver, step 1. Open NVIDIA AMD software step 2. Update to latest GPU driver step 3. Restart PC. Fix 5. Close background apps step 1. Open task manager. Control plus shift plus escape. Step 2. Close browsers, recorders, overlays step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 6. Disable overlays step 1. Turn off Steam overlays step 2. Disable GeForce Experience a Discord overlay. Fix 7. Verify game file step 1. Steam library Hogwarts Legacy step 2. Properties installed files step 3. Click Verify integrity of game files.